All right, a cylindrical container has a radius of 6 centimeters. The container is holding 255 centimeters cubed of water. Round to the nearest quarter inch, what is the minimum height of the container? All right, so the first thing we want to do is to identify our formula and our figure. So our figure here is a cylinder. All right. So when we're looking for the volume of a cylinder, we're going to use volume equals pi r squared times height. Okay. Let's go ahead. Our next step is going to be to define our variables. All right. So our variables are going to be volume, radius, height, and again, we're going to go ahead and we're looking for the nearest quarter of an inch, so we need a number, so we can't leave our pi in there. We always use 3.14 to represent pi. All right, so let's look and see what our problem has for us. A cylindrical container has a radius of 6, okay? And it's holding 255 centimeters cubed of water. So we know that it can hold at least that much, all right? So we need to know how tall must it be to be holding that amount of water, and it could be a little taller, right? It might be able to hold more, we're not sure. It doesn't tell us that in the problem. Okay, so we've identified our figure and formula. Just type this up here, it's a cylinder. All right, we've identified our figure and formula. We've defined our variables. Our next step is to substitute and solve. So let's substitute and solve. All right. So for volume, we're going to plug in 255. Okay. Pi, we're going to plug in 3.14. Radius, we're going to plug in 6 squared. And then height, we're still looking for. All right. So 255 equals 3.14 times 36 times the height. That 255 equals, that's 3.14 times 36. We're going to get 113.04 times the height. In order to isolate our height and to figure out what it is, we're going to have to divide both sides by 113.04. All right. When we divide 255 divided by 113.04, we get 2.256 equals our height. So let's take a look and see. It says rounded to the nearest quarter inch. All right, so if we're going for a quarter inch, the nearest quarter inch to 2.256 is going to be 2.25 or 2 1/4. So our correct answer here is A.